Hello everyone! Today I am going to share with you about gamat. Gamat is a primitive creature that has been existed for over 600 million years. It is a very nutritious seafood which comes along with lots of therapeutic properties, especially when it comes to aging-related problems. Though gamat is a seafood, it does not contain any damaging cholesterol, but instead, it is supremely rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. Furthermore, gamat is also rich in high-quality protein, such as polypeptides, as well as collagen. It is also rich in vitamins, mineral, and contains all kinds of essential amino acids. Adding on to that, gamat is also very rich in bioactive compounds that are very potent to help with the prevention as well as the curing of various diseases. Moving on, the bioactive compounds that are found in gamat includes glycoside, frondanol, frondoside, folinoside, polysaccharides, glucosamine, flavonoids, phenolic, EPA, DHA, and many more that are greatly beneficial for our health and beauty. As for a diabetic patient, type 1 diabetes is mainly caused lack of insulin due to the lack of beta cells or dysfunction of the beta cells in pancreas, which are responsible for the production of insulin. Type 2 diabetes is mainly caused by insulin resistance, where cells are not responding to insulin to absorb glucose from the blood. Over time, type 2 diabetes patients with high glucose in the blood will cause beta cell atrophy or dysfunction and worsen the glucose level. Based on multiple clinical studies, it had shown that gamat has the benefit to protect and repair our pancreatic cells, as well as promoting the secretion of insulin. Other than that, gamat had also proven be extremely effective when it comes to the enhancement of the responsiveness of our cells towards insulin. A study conducted by a scientist at Tanta University at Egypt had discovered that gamat can lower down the serum called adiponectin. By lowering down this serum, it can help to the sensitivity of the insulin, as well as enhancing lipid and glucose metabolism and prevents vascular damage. The study also showed that gamat lowers down interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor A concentration. This will help to protect the beta cell from facing any damages or death. Besides, it also helps by enhancing the responsiveness of cells towards insulin. In addition, gamat also inhibits alpha amylase activity to prevent inflammation and damages to our beta cell. It can also slow down the digestion of carbohydrates as well as the absorption of glucose and prevent the release of glucose from glycogen. Moving on, studies also showed that gamat inhibits the release of pancreatic lipase to prevent pancreas inflammation and pancreatic cancer. The inhibition of pancreatic lipase also helps to lower the absorption of triglycerides and cholesterol and prevent thrombosis or vascular blockage. To sum it all up, Jeligamat Gold from Luxor is the most renowned brand that gives us the best efficacy among all the available Jeligamat that are sold in the market. Luxor Jeligamat Gold is very effective for the use of beauty and healthy. The reason is because we use the best species out there known as Stitcorpus hermanni. Besides, it also has the highest amount of gamat essence when compared with any other brands. Finally, as for the direction of usage, take 1 tablespoon or about 15 to 20 milliliters for 2 to 3 times a day to enjoy the best benefits. That's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.